Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this virtual course. My name is Santiago Arias. I am a software and communications engineer and SAP Business One consultant. Today, we will cover the following topic: installing .NET to run ASP.NET applications on Internet Information Services IIS. So let's get started. To start installing .NET, go to the Microsoft website and download the latest version of .NET. In my case, I'll download version 9.0, which has an end-of-support date of May 12, 2026. Once on the download page, I go to the ASP.NET section, which literally recommends installing the hosting package. So I go to the hosting bundle option and click download. Finally, we click on Install, accepting the license terms and conditions. Remember that this operation may take several minutes. Once .NET is installed, we proceed to validate the version on our PC. For this, we run the command window and write .NET version. We can also use the .NET list SDKs command. And that's it. We have finished installing .NET to run ASP.NET applications on IIS. Remember that I will be attentive to comments in case you need support with a specific topic. We've reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you for your attention. And remember, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. See you soon and have a great day.